What's happening, YouTube? It's Mr. London Plumber. Appreciate you guys coming on and watching these videos. I wouldn't mind if you subscribed, or if you liked, and you just shared it, and check out my bio as well, because you can see my Instagram page where I post a lot more content.
It's a London thing.
What's happening, people? So we're back with another video. So this video is quite short, but what it is that when you see the process of some jobs, sometimes you think to yourself, can I do it? So drainage is something which I've done when I was quite younger as a plumber. I worked with a drainage engineer for about 1 year, and it was tough work, but it makes or breaks you. So I recorded a conversation with a drainage engineer when he was on the job, and it was some partly us talking and some partly us he was telling me about his experience while he had been doing drainage and some of the tasks which you come across, but he had the right machinery. But sometimes I feel that the conversations which we have with engineers when we're on site or with people who you bump into at work are priceless. So I recorded this conversation for you guys to hear. I hope you guys can take something away from it, a bit of knowledge and a bit of experience from it. So yeah, let's get to it.
Should have gone the right way. Of course it has.
Lovely. How many foot is that, Will?
About 30 foot.
That's what you need, really, though, isn't it?
For clearing blockages,
Yeah.
say you're doing a 4-inch pipe, put a 3-inch cut on there, get a big wad of toilet paper, just chew through, keep flushing the water, also you just see everything drops, yeah? For cleaning that pipe, the bacotes, see, on that it's just like a half moon, that spins, when the whole lot spins, yeah?
Yeah.
So, with the bacote it does much the same thing, it's still a cut, instead of being a spring like this, it's like a cable, and that spins, and on the front you've got like your cable on the front, yeah? You've got this round disc that goes on, Allen keys all the way around it, tighten it up. Welded to that is a set of springs, a set of chains. And on every other link there's a little square cut up being welded to the chain. So when you press the throttle on that and it starts spinning, the chains just fly open.
Oh,
you can hear it.
And whatever is in his thing will just cut or break straight away.
Clear it, yeah. But if you've got that same wedge of toilet paper, you'll never push it through it.
Because it would just get jammed straight to it.
It just gets jammed to it and you can't push it because the cable's too soft.
Yeah.
With this will go through anything. And this was the tool, trust me. This was, before these, this was all rods and fucking springs and whatever.
You break your back with the springs, isn't it?
Dynamite, when you start throwing dynamite, you have to do a year, one things. The other thing it tells you is how to learn how to drain this goes, where it goes, where it ends.
Sewers and like just the top.